Hello, in this video we will continue with the linked list, and here I will write the size method to calculate the number of items in the list. So here let me just write it here. Okay, so public, and this should return an integer, the number of nodes in the list, and let's name this size of the list. Okay, so we need a local variable which is a counter. Okay, so I say int count and initialize it to 0. And also remember, when we display, we had problem if you move the head. So the head should not be modified. So we assign it to a temporary variable node, and let me just say temp and initialize it to head. Okay. Now we need a loop, while loop. So we say while temp is not null, just keep going. Okay. While it is not null, and remember when you display that, let me just move this from here to here. Okay, so when we display, in every iteration, we display the data. But here, I don't want to display. We just count it. Okay, so we say count plus plus. Okay, and also we should advance to the next item. So here I say temp equals temp get next. Okay, so but what if temp is null? So consider that the list is empty. So are we going to get a null pointer exception if this is null? No, because if it is null, we will not get into the loop anyway. So if this doesn't satisfy, if this doesn't fail, which means temp is not null. So in here, we will not get null pointer exception. So after we are done with the loop, then you return. So you don't put the return statement inside of the loop, just put that outside. Return, and then okay, so return count. Okay, now let's see how this works. In the tester class, let's put some items. Okay, I put 3 items, and then let's display the list. And here I will say system out println. Okay, size list 1 dot size. Okay, now let's see how this works. So let me just delete this, and after okay, let me comment this out. Okay, now let's see how this works. Okay, it worked. Size is 3, and then let's delete from head and then display it, and also let me display the size one more time. Okay, now let's see how this works. Okay, we delete from the head, and then now size is 2. Okay, so and also let's write a method to see if the list is empty or not. So here in the list, we can just do this public, and this will return a boolean value. Okay, so true or false. Okay, boolean is empty. Okay, and no parameter. So here you check if head is null, Okay, if head is null, then this is true. Okay, so this returns true. And the question, is it empty? Yes, it is. If this is yes, then you return that. So just say return. So you don't have to put if else statement. Okay, now let's see how this works. In the tester class, let's say system out print line, and let me say is empty. Okay, and then here let's write it list1 dot is empty. Let me put this, I'm sorry, let me copy and paste it just after we create the list. Okay, so this should return true because the list is empty, but here because it's not empty, it should return false. Okay, let's see. Okay, is empty true, and then in here is empty false. Okay, so this also works correctly. Have a nice day.